mind busy, so that even when we go back to work, it will be easy for you to adjust to our normal line. In case you're just joining here, you've been watching me and you've never subscribed to my channel, you're just unfair. Can you please subscribe today? Thank you. I know you've subscribed. Family, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Tricia and welcome to the Dream Team family. If it is your first time to be here, please consider subscribing down below. It is for free. Please, if you're not subscribed already, you're so unfair and you're not doing me justice. Okay, so subscribe now before we continue, and also don't forget to turn on the bell so that you'll never miss out any upload that we post weekly. So I hope you guys have been so good. I have been so well, doing fine. And yeah, despite this pandemic, we're doing fine. I've been just moving up and down, chilling at home. I hope also you guys have been so good. I know some people have like, okay, all of us, our lives have changed at some point, and I'm really hoping that some of you are still at your workplaces, because some of people out there, they have lost their jobs. They have maybe they've been reduced to the salary they have been getting. I hope you guys are staying safe and managing what you can get. I really feel everybody, and I just believe that this will go soon. And if it will not go, we should like embrace it and learn to live with it, so that we see what the future holds for us. Remember, we still have our future plans as we had planned. Let us not give up because of anything that might make us give up. So today, as you can read from the title, I just came here to tell you how productive I have been, and I want to share some tricks and tips for you to be productive this quarantine. So this is a time that you have all the time for us, all the time, like sleeping, all the time watching, eating, chatting, and all things, everything that you've been doing. So for me, I've been so productive and I'm really proud of myself. And yeah, I've been doing a few things, like some things that have made me be productive is like getting up very early and also trying to sleep very early. Before, when we started this quarantine, I was sleeping very late, like even 3 to 4 o'clock a.m. watching and just chilling, doing nothing. And then I guess after 1 month I realized that, hey, that is like by the time I'm waking up the following day, the day is already gone. I'm waking up like past noon, and there is nothing much I'll do. I'll not be just productive. So I changed my schedule and I started waking up at 10 a.m. and I've really tried 10 a.m. and sleeping at before midnight. That is what I do now. So one thing you should do is sleep early and also wake up early, because when you wake up early, you are able to organize yourself. You're able to organize your things that you want to do. Also, it's good for you to like sleep knowing what you'll be doing tomorrow. Some people take time to like write things that they will be done tomorrow, or maybe some people write them in the morning. I don't do that, but okay, sometimes I do that. But for me, I do that when I want to make some content. That is when I write some things before doing it. But the other things that I normally do at home, I just set my mind and program myself. Okay, I also understand that there are people who don't work with schedules. So for those people who don't work with schedules, at least you should know what you want to do. I know all of us have things to do, like we have things to do, but we don't feel like doing it because you think you have all the time for yourself. But it's good when even if you don't like having schedules, there are those people who just want to work whatever they will manage to do for today, and then they take the rest for the other day. But it is good for you to like plan yourself what exactly you want to do. And for us who work on schedules, like for me, I need to plan things so that I can do them. It's good for you to like know what exactly you want to do, at what time, which specific day, and that will be really, it will make you be productive. Okay, so about me, I have been waking up early in the morning. Okay, I did a video. I will put it up here, where how I spent my morning, like my morning routine during quarantine. And that is what I normally do, but there's some things that I've just fixed in, which are making my day more productive. And so the first thing I do is that I wake up at 10 and then 10 to 15 or 10 to 20, I mean 10 a.m. to 10:15 or 10:20 I do my workouts. Okay, lately I have been doing workouts. If you've been following me on Instagram, you already know that I have a 1 month challenge, Steve, and 1 month challenge of doing workouts at home. I hope you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, please, down, it's my name, go and follow me on Instagram, and I really do appreciate. So I've been working out for the whole of this month, and there is progress. Just go on my Instagram and you will see that. And also I may add a clip here of some exercises that I've been doing, but also I even forgot, I uploaded a video on the workouts that I'm doing at home, so please go and check it out. It will help you. I've been working on my booty, which I don't have, and also my abs workout, and it has really been amazing. It makes my day better. So that is what I do first thing when I wake up, and then after that I will go take a shower and start the day. So after that, after showering, I also do my online studies that I have mentioned in my prior videos. I do that for like 2 or 3 hours. It will depend on the mood. And then after that I will eat. Okay, in between learning I will also be biting like breakfast, and then after learning I will take lunch. But lately I've also been skipping one meal, either breakfast or lunch, but we are working on that too. So yeah, that is what I've been up to on my morning, on my like day after I do the studies. Then I will start catching up on people's videos. I will also, okay, lately also I have included something else that I'm doing. I have started learning about this forex thing. I know many of you have heard about it, and if you've not, it's a way of like trading currency. So I've been going through that also. I'm thinking of starting that very soon, and so yeah, I'm just taking my time to like learn about it. It's not something easy, and I'm hoping that it will be well. So if you trade currency on forex, just let me know under the comment section. How far are you? How are things with you? How is the trading? And so yeah, maybe you could share one thing that I will grab from you. I'm just a beginner on forex in currency trading. So something else I do, I think my day is just like that. So whenever I wake up and complete the few things that I've planned, maybe it was a wash day, and maybe it was a deep cleaning day, I was washing my hair, maybe it was a self-care day. I just have all those things planned out. So it's good for you to plan things that you want to do in that specific day, and your day will be more productive. And also, like sometimes you feel so lazy to do some things. Just try to like give yourself morale. Just get up. Also, there is one thing I want to encourage you guys. There are those people, maybe you don't have anything to do, which I really doubt. I don't think there's somebody who don't have anything to do, but in case you don't have anything to do and you think you've exhausted everything, there is this thing of we have all the time for us. We have free time. If you have internet access, it's good for you to go like on YouTube, learn new things. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. In fact, I'm so proud of myself because for the last 2 months I've been quarantined, and I did my hair, and I literally did my hair by myself, and I appreciate that. I learned through YouTube, so that is why I was saying you just go to YouTube or on internet and search on things that you like doing. You can learn from internet. You can do the DIYs at home, just things to maybe house decor, just different things, what you like doing, makeup, like everything. You'll get it on YouTube. So it's good for us to like go on YouTube, check on things, just keep your mind busy, so that even when we go back to work, it will be easy for you to adjust to our normal lives, because we will be going to our normal lives soon. That is what everybody is hoping for, and we believe it will happen. So yeah, like just keep your mind busy. Maybe if you have family and friends, okay, friends may be so difficult at this time because people are not moving around, but like if you have like things like puzzles, games that you can do when you're with your family, it's good like to keep your mind busy. So this video was meant for me to tell you some tips of being productive, and I hope I helped somebody. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll just repeat again in case you're just joining here. You've been watching me and you've never subscribed to my channel. You're just unfair. Can you please subscribe today? thank you. I know you've subscribed, and please turn on the bell that you'll never miss out any upload that you post. Also, will not forget, will not ignore that I have a new hair look. Today also was a day that I had my Fossy hair wash day, and I recorded it, and it is, I will also pin it up right here. Please go and watch it, and you will see the products that I use. You all know that I chopped my hair last year, but like 1 year and 5 months ago, and yeah, there's a big progress. So go and watch the video, and let us meet until the next video. Please continue staying safe, continue taking care of yourselves. Let us learn to live with corona is here to stay, and until it goes, we have to move on with our lives regardless. So yeah, thank you for watching me, thank you for listening to me, thank you for watching until the end, and as you all know, I love you so much and I really appreciate you guys. Bye bye.